Okay folks, Jim here. It's now the next day. I have everything, well it's a little hard to see, but I did all the welds, and here I'll just do a little dinny, there you go, off my hand, you can see it better. Anyway, did all the spot welds, took the screws out, spotted them in. I did that today. Well, I did the welds yesterday on here. I ground them off today, knocked them off, and then here was a little split right there, so I welded him in because I had to knock this one in and that one that way, and so I had to make a little split. Anyway, so then of course, you know, lots and lots and lots of those welds, knocked them off. Okay, so now we're here today. Oh, holy smokes. I'll get back at doing body plastic and doing a little bit of cleaning up there, but I want to get this side welded up and knocked out so possibly I can start at the boxes. So here we go. Here's these little spot welds here, and I'm going to show you what they're supposed to look like. You know, well, we'll see about that, won't we? Anyway, so here we go. I'll put you folks down here, and then I'm gonna get you on this T thing here so I can get you in real close. I don't know if it'll, how close? Ooh, that's pretty good. Right there, right? Let's see, where is that guy right there? He is, well, that's one of them over there. Well, I don't want those guys. I want to go somewhere along in there. All right. So there you go. I'm gonna turn on the welder, get a clamp on there and all. Oh geez, I can't even reach my welder now. I moved it from the other side over here, and that was weird. Something made a big noise there. I thought you guys turned off or left me there. So here we go. We have a ground cable. It's always good to put your ground cable as close to your work as possible. So I'm going to stick it right on that screw right there. Can you see that, folks? No, anyway, it's on the screw. I'm not kidding you, it is. So, the idea here is to weld kind of in a little bit of a circular motion there and get everything burnt in real nice. So, let's see. Let's just start out with this one right here. I think that's the one. Let me see, yep, we'll start with him, because I think I can really do it good and you folks can see it. So right now I'm going to bring a vice grip over and I'm going to shove him in there and pull that one close. We'll do two of them, we'll do this one, this one. I need to get this one a little closer in here. A little closer maybe yet. Oh, it's a little too tight. Okay, now watch your ears, because I'm going to tighten that up just a little bit. This one too. The closer they are without a gap in there, the better. So now I'll get my helmet, super cool helmet here, get my glasses off, and I have my welder. So here we go, we're going to do one. I haven't tried any practice ones today, so we'll see, I guess. There's one, you see that? There's two. Alrighty. I don't know how my camera goes with that here, but anyway, we're gonna do the weigh part now. Alright, so you guys don't get all crazy here. Whoa. Okay, so here you go. There's those two spot welds. Filled in the hole like that there, right? And you do it in a circle like that, and there you go. And if you do it pretty good, you know, really good, I don't know if you can even see that, they don't bump up so much, so less grinding, which is fine, because the grinding stones cost a lot, the time it takes, plus you get stuff in your face, eyes, all like that. I have a shield and all like that, but still, it doesn't matter. It sucks. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock them guys out, because you don't need to see me do it, you've already seen it. So there you go. Thanks a lot for stopping. And if you need to know how to do that plug welding, you just get a hold of me and come on over and I'll show you. It's not rocket science, you just have to pay attention. So anyway, thanks a lot for stopping.